Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the latest iOS on your iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to do it untethered. You won't need any connection to your PC or laptop. All you're going to need is your internet connection, and I'm going to show you how to complete the jailbreak by getting an app called Checkra1n. So let me start by showing you the settings that you need to change to prepare your phone for the jailbreak. So firstly, you need to make sure that your background app refresh is turned on. For me, it's on already, but if it's off for you, let me show you how to turn it on. As you can see here, it says background app refresh on, but if it says off for you, you simply need to tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn background app refresh on. So this is the first setting that you need to change. Once you're done with that, you need to go back to your main settings and find the battery settings, which are over here at the bottom. Alright, let me just find them. You need to scroll down until you find battery settings. Then you need to simply tap on them and make sure that low power mode is turned off. For me, it's turned off already, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be very easy. You simply need to tap on the handle over here. So if it says low power mode on, you need to tap on it to turn it off. This is the second setting that you need to change. Once you're done with that, go back on the settings and find the App Store settings. And here it is, the last setting that you need to change. Tap on the App Store and make sure that automatic downloads are turned on. These three settings are very important for the jailbreak with Checkra1n. If it's off, like this, then you need to tap on the handle to turn automatic downloads on. This is all the three settings that you need to change. Now let me show you how to jailbreak your device by using Checkra1n and getting Cydia installed automatically. Open your browser and go to getjailbreaks.com. Once you are on getjailbreaks.com, this is how the page is gonna look like. And it says here that it works for iOS 12 and up, so it works in all iOS devices and from iPhone 5. Tap on the Get the Beta Now and then tap on the Allow button over here. Now you need to tap on the Close button because the download has been completed. Now let me show you how to install Checkra1n. You need to tap on the Profile Downloaded, which is the new tab that shows up on the settings. Once you tap on that, you need to tap on the Install button at the upper right, and then once you tap on the Install button, that's gonna start installing Checkra1n on your device. Now you need to enter your passcode, and once you do enter the passcode, tap on the Install button at the upper right again, and then tap on Install at the bottom one more time, and that's all you need to do to get Checkra1n installed. Now I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak your device with Checkra1n, and this is a beta version that works with the latest iOS. Alright, so here we are. I have Checkra1n already installed, and now I'm gonna open it and show you how to jailbreak your device and get also Cydia installed automatically, because as you know already, when your phone gets jailbroken, you also get Cydia installed automatically. So you need to tap on the jailbreak button over here, and as you can see, it says that your device is supported by Checkra1n. Tap on the jailbreak button and that's gonna start jailbreaking your phone, and it's gonna take just a few seconds. Now sometimes it might ask you to complete a very short device verification. I have already completed the verification for myself before shooting the video tutorial, but this app has a bug and it will always ask you even if you complete the verification. But for me, since I've already done it, I won't need to do it anymore, and for me the phone will be jailbroken and I'll have Cydia installed. But if you want to get them on your own device, you need to complete the very short device verification. So tap on the Verify Your Device and complete the short device verification to get your phone jailbroken and Cydia installed automatically. So let me just go on and see by myself, because as I said, I have already completed the verification, so I won't need to do that anymore. And as you can see here, Cydia has been installed, and that means that this phone has been jailbroken. So guys, I'm gonna open Cydia right now just for you to see that it is fully working and I can get all the Cydia features, which means that this phone has been jailbroken. I can actually get tweaks and mods through Cydia, and you will do the same thing once you jailbreak your device by using the Checkra1n beta version that I showed you how to get on this video tutorial. So thanks for watching this video, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself to jailbreak your own device. Have a good day, don't forget to like for more tutorials.